from Hardware Sugar. Thank you, Hardware Sugar.
Unboxing.
Here's what we'll need. So I will be connecting to my Wi-Fi router. For wireless, we will be using the Pico device. We'll also need the Wi-Fi extender since we'll be doing wireless. Then we'll need two cables. First cable is the Ethernet to USB-C cable. Next cable is the USB-C to USB cable. And this is for connecting to the USB adapter. So you can plug the device for power. Once the light turns blue, solid blue, it doesn't blink anymore. And that means you're good to go. Now you connect to the Wi-Fi network.
Now we just need to connect to the VPN network. Check your Wi-Fi network. You should see the Deeper Wi-Fi network. Password is I love Deeper. Once you're connected, open the browser, then go to 168.192.1.1. The username and password are both admin. Then go to DPN, go to mode, select DPN full root. Then choose location for your VPN. For testing purposes, I will choose North America, USA. Alright, finally, let's test it out on Netflix USA. So you can see we're still in Netflix Philippines. But I'm still connected to my non-VPN network. So let me just disable that. Now we're just connected to the deeper Wi-Fi, the VPN network. And what do we get when we refresh? Top 10 TV shows in the US. Alright. Yes, now we can watch. Next up, let's try this on Steam. For Steam in the US, there are certain games you can access if you're not in the US. If you're in Asia, then you can play the region locked US games. But with the Pico VPN, we're able to access MultiVersus, which is only available in the US. They don't have an Asian server yet. And look at this, here comes the magic moment. Normally it won't load if you're in Asia. Even though you're using a US Steam account, it won't load. You won't get through. But now, because we're connected to a US VPN via Pico, boom! We can play MultiVersus on Steam. Yes! Next up, let's test this on the PS5. So, PS5, so hard to set up, to configure, but because of Pico, comes the magic moment. Because of Pico VPN, we're able to, okay, connection fail. So that is because I was not connected to Pico, to Deeper Cool. But now, what happens once we're connected to Deeper Cool, the Pico VPN? Instead of failing to connect, instead of getting an error, now, finish dancing. Here comes the Banana Man or Peanut Man. And syncing account state. That means we're good to go. Now you can play MultiVersus on your PS5 US account. However, if you don't want to fork out money to buy a VPN device, then you might want to check out my previous video, how to play MultiVersus PC in Asia. This one involves using a purely software VPN, and the best part is it's free. It's called Proton VPN. Check it out. Also, I want to say thank you once again to Hardware Sugar for sending us over the VPN Pico device. It's pretty neat. Now I can watch US shows, other region lock shows on Netflix. But I'm not in that region. I'm in Asia. Also, I can play games that have only been released in those regions, but not in Asia. But I can. I have the power now. So thank you. Yeah, so anyway, if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you in any way, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Burgerbird, the lowly human, signing off. As always, GG.